Underneath the glove box on the passenger side, you want to take this cover off right here. You can use a little screwdriver and just pry this back a little, and that one as well. If you can grab up top, then you can pry it back. But slide that down, and then the filter is right here. Just grab the filter and it will just slide down. Be careful, there could be some debris coming down as you take it down. There's these tracks on both sides that the filter goes in. Slide it down and out of the car. Take the new filter, you want to find where the flow is. So the arrows are pointing down. So you want the down pointed towards the floor, and this is the top part. So we'll slide it in like this. I'm gonna slip it into those tracks right there. The easiest way to do this is probably just curving it a little bit, just folding it up, and then just sliding it gently. Trying not to push too hard. You have to grab the top a little and just coax it along. There we go. All right, that's all the way in. Now take the door and just close it and you're good to go.